In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide public holidays on Google Calendar. This is especially useful if you're looking to declutter your calendar and focus more on your personal and work-related events. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can simply type Google Calendar into your search engine and follow the link to the official Google Calendar site, or if you have it bookmarked, that works too. Make sure you are logged into the account that you typically use for your scheduling. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a section labeled Other Calendars. This feature is really useful for organizing and managing different types of events separately, like holidays, birthdays, or specific project files. Scroll through this list until you find the calendar labeled Holidays. The next step is quite straightforward. You'll notice a small colored checkbox right next to the Holidays calendar. This checkbox controls the visibility of the public holiday events on your calendar. Currently, if it's checked, that's why you're seeing all those holiday entries cluttering up your schedule. To hide the public holidays, you simply need to click on the checkbox to uncheck it. Instantly, you'll notice that all the public holiday events will disappear from your calendar view. It's as simple as that. Unchecking this option doesn't delete the holidays. It simply hides them from your main calendar view, making it easier to focus on the events that matter most to you. If at any point you decide to bring back the public holiday entries, perhaps to plan a getaway or to check for upcoming long weekends, you can just revisit the same checkbox and tick it again. The holidays will reappear on your calendar just as easily as they were removed. That about covers it. You've successfully hidden public holidays from your Google Calendar, allowing you to see a cleaner, more organized version of your schedule. Now you can dedicate more time and space to your own events without the distraction of national holidays that might not be relevant to your personal or professional life. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now better equipped to customize your Google Calendar experience. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with Google Calendar, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy planning.